Hello, I'm Jennifer Castoldi from Trendease International. 2020 marks the 50-year anniversary of Heimtextil. Sustainability will be a big topic. They'll be continuing with their green directory. And this edition of Trendease TV, I want to talk about plastic. What does it have to do with home textiles? The design community is looking at plastic as a raw material. So instead of being waste, it can be wealth. We see raw design like Carmen's debris chair, all the way to refined design from Weaver Green. Waste plastic is nothing new to Heimtextil. Going back over 10 years, we have this home textile. Once I was a bottle, now I'm a blanket. Let's do a little flashback to last year at the HP stand. The circular economy is really important right now, so sustainability is a key buzzword. This is a canvas that's made of 100% recycled plastic bottles, and at the end we have a roller blind made of C-Tex, which is sea debris that has been collected and turned into a new material. Also in 2019, Trevera was focusing on sustainability. Flipping through some of the trade journals, you can also see that companies will be focusing on plastic waste, creating value in home textiles. What do old plastic bottles, retired mobile phone cases, and rubber rain boots have in common? They can all have a second life with Smile Plastics. Smile Plastics is a company we came across over a decade ago that take these waste plastics and create large panels. This is just a small sample. The large panels can then be used in the built environment, in architecture, interior design, furnishings, even little coffee coasters. It's what your imagination makes of it. In 2020, Smile Plastics will have some samples at Heimtextil in the Trend area. So we're here with Adam Fairweather on a video call to talk about what he's doing with his company, Smile Plastics. Adam, thank you for being with us.
Pleasure.
And can you tell us what is Smile Plastics?
Smile Plastics specializes in taking waste plastic and other waste materials and converting them into decorative surface materials and finished products that have a really high quality, very tactile experience to them, and they can be used by designers and architects to replace things like wood, things like stone, things like glass, ceramics, or composite materials and other sort of resin-based products.
So some of the most inspiring products that you work with are the children's Wellington boots, the coffee grounds, and phone cases.
All the materials that we work with we find fascinating, and it's a real experiment to sort of get them to become something pretty. It's not just like, ta-da! But some of the materials, like a phone case or something that can be sort of shown graphically as what it was in its entirety, is always really, really exciting.
If you had a message to give to our viewers around the world in many different countries and also different positions within the design industry, what would it be?
At Smile Plastics, we have a motto, which is reimagine materials designed to inspire. And the idea behind this motto is that if we can use our imagination to change the way things happen, then, and our choice to design change, then it's a really powerful place for us to be.
This January, we'll be celebrating the 50th year of Heimtextil, as well as all of the possibilities of sustainability, especially with plastics.